Hello and welcome to Loud Creations. Today I am going to play mad scientist and I'm going to make a peanut butter and jelly mead. I have other videos. I have a peanut butter mead video that should come up right here. I also have a video of me back sweetening my peanut butter mead and tasting it right about here. And I have a video for my mixed berry mead where I shows you how to make it, and then I did a little tasting before I got to this point here, which you can find right here. Okay, so now what am I doing today? I have about half of my peanut butter mead in this. I have all of my mixed berry mead in this bucket here. What I'm gonna do, fingers crossed it works. I'm going to use my auto siphon and with my bottling wand, and I'm going to move this mead into this mead and get it to a place that tastes like peanut butter and jelly to me. And I might even back sweeten it because I didn't back sweeten either of these too much because I'm trying to back off of the sweetness because most of my meads have been pretty sweet up until this point. And, you know, it's probably good to not consume that much sugar when you're drinking, if you drink. But what am I getting into now? Where am I? Okay, rewind. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to put this on the floor. I'm going to keep this up here, and I'm going to go ahead and add, for now, I'm just going to go up. Right now I have about 50 ounces in here, and I'm just going to bring this up to 96. So that's 3/4 of a gallon. I have a 3/4 gallon container. So yeah, let's do this. I'm going to my spoon, stir this up. So the plan here is I pasteurized the mixed berry, but I haven't pasteurized the peanut butter yet. So I'm probably going to put this back in a carboy and pasteurize it again. And I left a little bit of room because I'm going to back sweeten even more to make it really taste like a peanut butter and jelly. Now the berry is a little more powerful than the peanut butter. Hopefully with age, the peanut butter will pop back out a little bit more. It's still more flavorful than my peanut extract that I used for my chocolate peanut butter mead, which you can find right here. Okay, so real quick, because that bottle is filling up, even though I'm not pushing down on the wand. Oops. So let's just do it. I'm just going to add, like, I don't know if you can see the honey. Oh, it's not in the shot. Well, I would say I have like an ounce or two left of honey in this. Maybe 3 ounces. Because I added a little bit to the peanut butter. I didn't make it overly sweet, and same with the mixed berry. And I kind of want this peanut butter and jelly to be peanut butter jelly time. Sweet. All right, here we go. Let's try this. This is delicious. It's delicious, okay? This is only combined, I think the mixed berry is about 2 months old. The peanut butter is like a month and a half in. And it's already mighty tasty. So I'm very excited about this one. I'm going to be bottling it after I pasteurize. Highly recommend it. If you're interested in making a peanut butter and jelly time mead, then follow those links that I put in earlier in the video. And yeah, now there's a fly. Little stinker. Go away. There's a fly. Stay out of my mead. Okay, the fruit flies are finding me. So I am going to finish this video before the flies get in my mead. And I will be back with a tasting probably in a few months. Okay, I am back. It is a few months later. I actually completely forgot about this video, so yay, I get to do a tasting in the video. So I have my bottle of peanut butter and jelly mead, and before I open it and give a tasting, I want to do a little update on the process for this. So I left off having mixed everything together, and then I bottled instead of pasteurizing. So I didn't put it back into a carboy. I just went ahead and put it into beer bottles and capped it. And about, I don't know, a month ago, I drank the mixed berry mead. I had one bottle of that and I drank it, or we drank it, and it was carbonated. So I didn't pasteurize, or if I did, I didn't do it properly for the mixed berry mead. So I knew there was a strong chance that this would be carbonated as well. And so I put it in the refrigerator where it has been. And it is, I want to say it's 11% ABV, but I'm doing an estimate because I mixed 2 meads and I back sweetened and then it got carbonated. So roughly 11 to 12%, I would guess. And it is about 5 months old. I haven't made it to the 6-month mark, but I wanted to do a quick tasting just to see how it turned out. So here we go. Do the honors. Open this up. Well, there wasn't a sound, so let's see. Got my little glass. Well, right off the bat, it's a lovely color. It's mostly clear. There's a slight fog to it, and that's from the peanut butter mead. The peanut butter mead never completely cleared out. I can definitely smell the mixed berry and a little bit of the peanut butter. And when I left off, the mixed berry was a little bit overpowering for the peanut butter, so I'm hoping I can taste it more now. So let's give it a try. Yeah. So up front, I can definitely taste the berry. There's slight carbonation to this, but it's not, it's very subtle. And then at the end, I can definitely taste the peanut butter. This is really good. Like I said, I gave the links to the videos for how I made the peanut butter mead and the mixed berry mead at the beginning of this video. If you were interested in having, I would say this is a dessert wine. I made it on the sweeter end, and it definitely has a little bit of, it doesn't have much of a bite to it, but I can tell, I can feel it as it goes down a little bit. So my guess is it's closer to 12% ABV. And it's lovely. If you're a fan of peanut butter and jelly, this mead's for you. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you next time. Thank you.